This video will show you how to replace the lower door weather strip on a GMC Sierra 2500. This will be mounted along the bottom of your front door. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make your way all the way down to the bottom of your front door. This is where we can see our weather strip. The weather strip itself should be held in place with several plastic push clips making their way across. To dislodge this, I'm going to be using a trim tool. You can also use a flat blade screwdriver if necessary, or even a trim tool. We're making our way in between the weather strip and the door and gently prying it apart. You can see one of my clips here. We'll continue on down the line. There should be several of these making their way across. As you can tell, some of them are already dislodged or missing. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, let's clean and inspect the mounting area. And now it's time for installation of the brand new door weather strip. We'll make sure we have it in the proper orientation. We're going to align all of our push clips with their corresponding ports. You can see each of them in the door itself. Start from one side and make your way all the way over. Lining it up, pressing it in. Okay friend, we finished the installation on one side of our vehicle. This comes as a kit. Go over to the other side of the vehicle and repeat this exact same process. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.